Hey LinkedIn. Today I want to challenge you to learn the right way to answer the question, what do you do? Most people I talk to when they get asked that question answer with their job title. I'm an accountant, I'm in digital marketing, etc. The problem with that is that's not what they asked you. They asked you, what do you do? That's an action, that's an activity. You're responding with a noun, you're responding with a label. And candidly, you're shortchanging yourself when you answer it that way. This is an opportunity to enhance your brand. And for those of you that hate the idea of personal branding, let's just call it reputation management because that's what it is. This is a chance to build your reputation every time you get asked this question. And it amazes me how many people are wasting this precious opportunity to build their reputation. So I always teach people to answer this in 3 parts. The first part is you're going to talk about what you love to do in terms of the problems you solve or the pain you alleviate for an employer. So first thing you want to explain is, hey, this is the value that I provide. This is why I get paid. And gosh, I love doing it. The second step is to follow up with a quick explanation of how you do that, right? What your methodology is, what your thought process is, so they understand how you actually deliver on that value. And the third step in the process is to talk about where you're going with this. Because all good businesses have won, all good individuals that are growing their careers. And if you're not growing your career, my friends, you're dying. So you've got to be growing your career and you need to let the world know that. So that third sentence is going to be about what you're looking to achieve next with respect to these skills, this value that you add and that you enjoy so much utilizing. This is the perfect brand message. And yes, it's a little bit more than what you're used to responding with. And people sometimes in the beginning go, I feel a little uncomfortable saying this much when somebody responds, but you will get over it fast. You know why? Because when you start responding this way, people start asking you questions. They want to know more. They're curious. You are attracting their curiosity. You are holding their attention. Let me tell you something. You're not holding their attention when you say, I'm an accountant. I'm a digital marketer. You're holding their attention when you say, I love to solve this kind of problem. I do it with this kind of methodology, these skill sets. And now I'm really looking to grow my career by becoming an expert in this or that. Simple 3-step process. It is transformational, the impact this has. And the more you do it, the more natural and normal it will feel, the more you'll fine tune it too. So you'll see what really lands with people in the way that you describe it and what gets the most engagement. And that's where you're going to build your reputation. Because now when somebody's in a conversation with someone, they're going to remember what you said you love to do, very positive. They're going to remember how you explained you did it. So now they can share that with someone else. It shows insight, shows practitioner expertise. And they're even going to talk about how you had a vision for how you want to apply this and learn and grow in your skill set. Really shows that you're a true professional. It is the secret sauce to answering this question. So I'm going to challenge everyone today to try that. In the comments below, I'm going to read every single one. I want you to answer the question, what do you do? With, this is what I love, the problem I love to solve, the pain I love to alleviate. 2, this is how I do it. This is the skill set I leverage, my strength, my skill set that I'm really good at. And 3, this is where I'm headed with it. This is what I want to do next with it. I take the time to do that today. Remember, I'm here to teach you how to work on your career. You're always working in your jobs. Work on your career today. This is a 5-minute career development exercise that you can do right now. Put it in the comments below. I'm going to read every one and I'll offer feedback. If I think you can tweak it a little or enhance it, I will definitely let you know. But this is such a good opportunity for you to get familiar with this and to change how you answer this question. I cannot even stress enough how much it will be a game changer. You do this for 1 year, you watch what happens to your career. All of a sudden, people are contacting you for advice. All of a sudden, hey, I heard about this job opportunity. They don't know that if you don't build your reputation around it. And this is free and easy to do, and we get asked what do we do all the time. So why not make the most of that opportunity? Okay? All right, I cannot wait to see all your comments down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow where I'm going to start to talk about how to use some of this stuff to your advantage. All right, take care.